In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change date and time in Windows 11. First, you will need to right-click the clock on the bottom right corner of your taskbar. This is a simple action, but it is the gateway to adjusting your date and time settings. The clock icon is typically located next to the system tray, where you can see the current time and date displayed. By right-clicking it, a menu will appear, providing you with options related to time settings. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for the adjustments you will be making. You should see a menu pop up, which indicates you are on the right path. Next, select Adjust Date and Time from the menu that appears. This option will take you to the settings page specifically designed for time management. Once you click on it, a new window will open with various options related to your date and time. This is where you will have control over how your system tracks time. It is important to navigate to this setting because it allows you to customize your experience according to your needs. You will see different toggles and buttons that will guide you through the process. Now, if you prefer to set the date and time manually, you will need to turn off the toggle for Set Time Automatically. This toggle is usually found at the top of the settings page. By switching it off, you are indicating that you want to take control of your time settings rather than relying on automatic updates. This is an essential step if you are in a location where the automatic settings may not reflect the correct time. You will notice that the toggle will change color, showing that it is now off. After that, click the Change button next to set the date and time manually. This button allows you to enter the specific date and time you want your computer to display. When you click on it, a small window will pop up, inviting you to input your desired date and time. This step is important to ensure that your system reflects your local time accurately. You will see a form where you can fill in the details. Next, enter your correct date and time, then click Change. It's essential to input the information accurately to avoid any confusion later. Once you click Change, your system will update with the new date and time settings you just entered. This step is particularly important because it confirms the changes you made. You should see a confirmation that indicates your date and time have been updated successfully. If you want to fix an incorrect clock automatically, turn on the toggle for Set Time Automatically. This option will revert to the default setting, allowing your computer to sync with internet time servers. By enabling this toggle, you ensure that your system clock is always accurate, which is vital for scheduling and time-sensitive tasks. You will notice the toggle switch back to its active state, indicating that automatic time updates are now on. From there, scroll down and click the Sync Now button under Additional Settings to refresh with Windows Time Servers. This action prompts your computer to connect to online servers to update the time. It is a quick and effective way to ensure your clock is accurate. This step matters because it helps prevent any discrepancies in timekeeping that may occur. You should see a message confirming that the sync was successful, ensuring your clock is accurate moving forward. By following these steps, you will have complete control over your time settings in Windows 11. Properly managing your date and time settings is essential for productivity and accuracy in your daily tasks.